Good Tuesday morning. We're starting off with some warmer temperatures compared to yesterday morning, and we're going to see a big warm up today. Temperatures will get back to the 70s, nearly 20 degrees warmer than our highs on Monday. Continue to see warm weather through tomorrow, mainly dry weather as well through tomorrow, and then Thursday going to be a very wet day. Storms will be possible. Could see a few strong storms across the area with some gusty winds, and it looks like we're going to start to clear things out just in time for a pretty nice Easter weekend. We may get that system out of here a little bit quicker than what it looked like in yesterday's forecast. So again, this morning, temperatures in the mid-40s. Skies are mostly clear, so we'll see a good amount of sunshine today mixed with some clouds. Temperatures should warm up to the lower to mid-70s later this afternoon. And then as we go into tonight, temperatures only fall into the 50s. So going to be about 10 degrees warmer tomorrow morning compared to this morning. And then temperatures tomorrow very similar to today for high temperatures. But Thursday's the day we're watching for rain and thunderstorms across the area. It does look like a cold front will come through here. Widespread showers and thunderstorms throughout the day Thursday. And there could be a few strong storms. The biggest concern would be for some gusty winds. The best threat right now is across the southwest half of the state, so we'll keep you updated. Doesn't look to be anything major, but I do think we could see some gusty thunderstorms on Thursday. And then Friday we'll keep things probably mostly cloudy. We may see a spotty shower, but I think we'll start to trend things drier and a lot cooler. But Saturday we start to work in some improving weather, back to some sunshine, highs close to 60. And then check out Easter Sunday. Looks really, really nice. Highs back in the 70s with some sunshine. Thank you guys for checking out this forecast. Hope you have a great day.